All right, good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Hope you all have survived the snow like we did down here in Georgia. It was a brutal 2 or 3 inches. It took us a day or two to dig out, but luckily we've survived, so all is good. Jeff's getting ready to wrap up and go home for the day. He's in the back doing some engine and transmission work for me whilst we're waiting on something special to arrive tomorrow. So it's another box. So I figure since we're talking about boxes, I've kept you guys in suspense long enough. Let me go ahead and get the camera flipped around. All right, so we will be continuing on with the tale of two 997s. This is going to be the main project. I don't know if we've done a proper introduction for y'all, but it is a 06 Carrera S that we are yanking the motor and transmission out of, and we'll be getting a special combination, which is living in the box back there, hiding, just waiting for its right moment. And this one as well actually might be also turning this into a project too. This that news came to me this weekend, so we might have 2 conversion projects going on. And since I'm talking about what's in the box, I'll get approval from the owner, and if I get approval, you're about to find out what's in the box. So, no, just kidding. All right. So we got Jeff and Dan and Anjum here, and we got something special in the box.
We're about to commit Porsche heresy.
Not that.
We're going
to
do bad things to German cars.
Bad things to German cars. I like that.
We'll see. Yeah.
All right. Well, do the honors. Let's see what's in the box.
All right. If you would.
Find out.
Ooh, oh, it's gonna be a little bit more mystery. It's awfully big.
Can you help me with this young lady?
Yeah. Jeff, do you happen to have a razor blade?
Opening up a Christmas present.
Right, I know. Christmas came early, right?
Still my birthday.
So, oh, sorry. This is still a birthday present?
Right?
My bad. Oh, whoa. It's much less blue all of a sudden. Tricked you going the other way. All right.
Next layer.
Dang. It's like one of those trick Christmas presents, except hopefully it's not a trick at the end.
I'm a little dizzy by the end of it.
Yeah, I used to have to do that at trade shows. Let me tell you what, it will make you dizzy. Dang. Round and round. Starting to come in the picture.
I'm starting to get slightly nauseous. Excitement is offsetting the nausea.
Dang. What have we got here? So would you mind explaining a little bit behind this, Dan? What do you got sitting here?
Okay, well this looks like there's a 7 on here.
Uh-oh.
What is that? Ooh.
That'll explain
7
a lot.
liters.
That's a lot of liters.
Mm-hmm. A little bit more than what came in that Carrera over there.
Yeah. Oh, so you wanted to just like double the displacement on it, basically. Plus a little?
I think that's a good plan.
That's a good plan, huh?
Yeah.
So this is a built-up LS7 with all the right stuff fixed on it, and plus a little bit more, so she breathes a little bit of fire, I understand.
Yeah, this is an LS7 with a basically freshened up bottom end and some CNC ported cylinder heads and titanium dual valve springs and retainers, upgraded cam and push rods, lifters.
Excellent.
And she supposedly puts out 663 horsepower and 575 foot-pounds.
I mean, it's not supposedly; those are dyno numbers.
Yeah, those are.
So I mean, that's not like we're just farting into the wind and saying, "Oh, it's a 600 horsepower." That's legit. So,
Yeah. So
it's pretty excellent.
it should be a good little stock replacement.
Stock replacement motor. There you go. I like it. Beautiful. All right, well, more to come on that. Then now you know what's in the box, and then I got another box coming tomorrow. It's going to be even more exciting. The box tomorrow is going to allow us to continue on with the red 914 project as well as the black 930 project, which Jeff has done some immaculate work over here. Don't mind the door sitting in the back of it there. It just happened to be a convenient place to put it for now. So there you have it. You've been teased with the box, and now here it is. Showed you a little bit of a preview of it, and you probably heard some of that, but I'm not sure how these videos are going to go together. So it is a 427 LS7, and this motor has been worked, had all the bugs taken out of it, and you want to know what kind of numbers it makes. Let's see if I can put a magic picture in. And hopefully, as you just saw there, it is a 663.5 horsepower motor, 500 and whatever the number was, foot-pounds of torque. And man, that thing's going to be a beast. And you know, like I said, we are planning on putting it not in this Carrera, but the other one, which is actually gone out for a little drive, had the transmission checked out on it and stuff like that. But yeah, that's going to be it. So hope you guys will stay tuned with that. I'm not going to make this video too long because I got another box. We've already ripped it apart. It's not that box. It's hiding elsewhere. And I'll give you a little preview of what's in that box, and I'm going to go ahead and continue making a video on it because it's that exciting. But now you know what's in the box. 660 horsepower LS7 going in a 2006 Carrera S. And also, we have placed on order, don't have it ordered or haven't received it yet because it's still on its way from Germany. As far as I know, this will be the first one. We are putting a 7-speed out of a Carrera S 991 attached to this thing. So that'll all be coming up, and I will keep you guys informed. But thanks for following along with us. Have a great day. It has arrived. Another box. What's in this box? We don't know yet. Well, we do know. You don't know, but I know. We're about to crack this thing open and see what's inside. Woohoo! Are we excited? Hell yeah, we're excited. So, just finally got this thing to fire up for the first time, and we're gonna watch it in action. So. Probably need to work with the focal length stuff. I need to get a fan out because it is creating quite a bit of smoke and stuff. So let's actually turn this off for a minute. Cool. We need a fan.